varsågod. Hi, my name is Jörgen Holland. I'm a 3D artist and designer from Norway. And in this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how I created a sea monster. It's a monster that is traveling around the world, picking up whatever it comes by. So this is just my backstory for the monster. I have just finished a work that I was really proud of, and I got across many different techniques that are really interesting. So that's why I want to share that with you. And I'm using Cinema 4D and Arnold Render. But as a creative, the tools are not that important, it's the principles. So hopefully you get some benefit from this video, even though you don't use my tools.